The Thangjing Waterfall, which is hidden among the Thangjing Hill Range overlooking the Moirang Valley, is a precious natural resource of Manipur. The waterfall is located around 55 kilometers away from the Imphal city in Hanglep Assembly Constituency in Churachandpur district. Relatively unknown by most people, height of the perennial Thangjing Falls is estimated to be about 220 meters. The Thangjing Waterfall has not been officially recognized as a tourist spot by the government yet. Moreover, it is not easy to trek or set up tourist camps here. There are two ways to reach Thangjing Waterfalls. One is from Kwakta village in Bishnupur district and the other is from Kangbai village of Churachandpur district, both of which lie to the south of Moirang town. From these villages, the trek is about 13 kilometers onwards to the Thangjing Hill Range and it takes about 4 hours on foot. This foot trek is the only route to reach Thangjing Waterfalls at present. To reach the destination, one has to walk against the waves of a rivulet for about 700 meters, which is quite challenging, yet at the same time adds thrill for adventurous tourists. Volunteers of a local club called Youth Development Organization are playing a pivotal role in order to popularize Thangjing Waterfalls as a new tourist spot and to assist the rising number of trekkers who flock at the waterfall year after year. Locals as well as trekkers who have been to the waterfall expressed hopes that not only the government but also the environmentalists, fellow trekkers and nature lovers will promote and develop the Thangjing Waterfall into a popular tourist destination. For reporter Sorokhaibam Som, this is Joyce Rusham, Impact News, Thangjing Waterfalls.